Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is ZALFARINA binti AZLI, and I will be presenting about two research studies along with my partner, SITI NATASYA binti Abdulhami. We are from Group 9. So I will be presenting about technological preferences of university students by Krumanova, while Siti Nur Natasha would be presenting about the utilization of technological devices among students by Mies Chin. Okay, so according to Kurmanova, development of technology has made it easier for people to communicate from all over the world. Not to mention, its rapid development also makes the internet evolve along its side. So, according to Ms. Jin, um, the technology is no longer just a tool for formal education, but also support continuous self-directed learning throughout life. And the growth of personal technologies such as smartphones, tablets, and online learning platform has made it easier for individual to take control of their own learning. So these presentations aim to explore a few things. The first is the most used technological devices by university students. The devices included are smartphones, tablets, and also laptops. And second, the purpose as to why they are using those devices. So either through academically or non-academically. Academically, such as using softwares for their university works, and also like non-academically, such as surfing the internet or to connect with their friends. So, moving on to the next slide. Okay, so let's shift our attention to chart 1. So this is the bar chart, and this bar chart is used to illustrate the most used devices by 84 university students. So this chart consists of findings and data collection from Krumanova to 2022 regarding most used devices among 84 university students. Those devices included, as mentioned, smartphones, tablets, and also laptops. And based on the charts, it can be concluded that the most preferred device is smartphone with 52 university students, and then the second is 38 students, and the last one is 20 students. So according to them, smartphones, they prefer smartphone as for three reasons. First is the portability and convenience. Second is all-in-one device, and last one is easy access to internet. For portability and convenience, okay, first, it is lightweight and can be carried everywhere. Like even right now, I have my own smartphones, and it is very easy like to bring everywhere. You can just put it in your pocket. And the second one is all-in-one device. You can surf the internet. You can attend online classes. Though right now I'm using my laptop, and lastly, you can also like take notes for anything quick like the groceries list or something like that. And the last one is easy access to internet. So like for example, you want to go somewhere but you don't know where the place is, you can just Google the Google Maps, or you can find out like what's the type of song they are playing right now. So that is easy access to internet. So I guess for right now, that is all for me. Moving to the next presenter.
Thank you to my partner, Ms. ZALFARINA, for presenting the first part of our presentation. My name is Natasha, and I will be continuing on the second half of our presentations. So as you can see here, this cluster bar chart taken from Marshall et al. 2016. This bar chart has been taken from Marshall in 2016, and it's focusing on how students utilize their devices. So student devices utilization based on type of use. So as you can see here that the data has been taken from 256 students from 8 different courses in University of Houston in 2015. So as you can see here that there are four colors representing four types of utilization. The first one, blue, is for academic. The blue one, the red one is for the equal use of utilizations. The green one for non-academic use of utilizations. And lastly, purple is no use of utilizations. So as you can see here that desktop and laptop has almost the same value, which are 36% and 32%. So we can conclude that most preferred for academic works is academic work is desktop and laptop by the students. So they prefer to use desktop and laptop for academic work because some of application is much easier to navigate using desktop and laptop due to its features that has much easier to do their work on laptop and desktop due to its processor and performance. So they can do their writings, reports, and accessing online materials on their laptops and desktops. And also, due to its size, it has bigger screens, so these factors attract the student to do their works on laptop and desktops. However, for iPad and tablet, it has the highest percentage for no-use utilization. There has minimal use by the student. This because some features that tablet and iPad has been a redundancy between the smartphone and computers. So they are interestingly, they are not essential tools for students to use for their daily life because academic works can be used on desktop, laptop. They already have laptop and desktop, right? So they are not essential for their daily life for the students. And also lastly, for the smartphone, they have the highest percentage for non-academically purpose. So as Amy has explained earlier that the student use smartphone for interacting, for social media, for surfing the internet. So it is much easier to access due to its nature that it has small size that we can put in our pocket and carry it around without any hassles. However, if we compare it to iPad and tablet, we need to carry iPad or tablet in a bag. Compared to smartphone, we just put in our pockets. So that's why it has the most percentage for non-academic purpose for utilizations. So to the next slide, for the conclusion, we have to complete from the Amy's charts and my charts. So for the computers, it is as Amy has explained earlier that computers are user-friendly for writing and searching because it features that has processors and it influence its performance for the student to do their works. And also it's easy to navigate on laptops as students often open many tabs on their laptops. So it's more easier to navigate between these tabs. And also it has bigger storage and excellent performance for the student to store their assignment, reports, lecture notes, videos assignment in their laptops. And also it's much easier to edit in video in their laptops. Next one, that smartphone is convenient and accessible as Amy has explained earlier. It is more efficient for social interaction as we students commonly use WhatsApp, Telegram to communicate with each other and friends, and also to reach out to their lecturers. And also they use smartphone mainly for entertainment factors such as social media, for TikTok, for Instagram, and X, and also for to watch movies on Netflix. So these entertainment factors influence them to use smartphones as they carry smartphone around. So these factors attribute to the influencing them to use this device more than the others. And lastly, for the tablet and iPad, they rarely use for this due to its redundancy factor. All the risk factors on tablet and iPad as on smartphone computers. It has the same features on smartphone and computer. So these redundancy factors affect the student to not frequently use tablet and iPad because it has the same function with smartphones and laptops. And also because the size, as I explained here, that need to carry in our bags rather than just pocket it in our pockets. So these features affect the student to use smartphone and computer rather than tablet and iPads. So that's all for our presentation. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Amy and Tasha. All right, so don't forget to upload your screen recorded presentation to your YouTube channel, okay?
Thank you.
All right, thank you, Amy. Thank you, Natasha.
Thank you, madam.
Thank
Right.
you, madam.
Okay.